Welcome everyone. You might be in a situation where you put your AirPods in and you hear crackling noises. I don't really know how to properly describe it, but it's like it hurts your ears and it happens in noise cancellation mode, sometimes transparency mode. It only doesn't happen in the normal mode. I can't remember what it's called. Let me just show you. If I go to my AirPods, the off mode, I guess you could call it, and I would like to show you how to fix this issue. And by the end of this tutorial video, you're guaranteed to have working AirPods Pro without fail. So the first issue is you aren't on the latest software. With earlier software releases of AirPods Pro, it broke active noise cancellation, and at the same time it caused the crackling issue you might be experiencing. And so what you want to do to update your AirPods Pro is just put them both in the case right here. Then make sure that on your iPhone it's connected. So you can see Alf's AirPods Pro connected. And really you just have to wait. And to see the software update, go to General, About, and you'll see right here Alf's AirPods Pro. While you can't actually update it manually, automatically the software will usually update. Now I don't make tutorials or like videos on the latest AirPods Pro software, but as long as you just give it a good 5 minutes, leave your iPhone, leave your AirPods Pro, the software should be updated. But there might be a chance that you're already on the latest software update, but you're still having this issue. So I'm going to cover the hardware way to fix this issue. So I want you to get a cotton bud like this, or I don't know what you call it, like a swab. And essentially the issue is that these microphone contacts are dirty. You might notice that this crackling issue only happens in noise cancellation and transparency mode. That's because these microphones are utilized. So you want to get a swab, and you just want to don't do it in the air, but you just want to rub against it, right? Don't use water, obviously, and just rub and give it a nice clean. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but a bit of dirt's coming out. And this is Apple's official advice, by the way. So we'll just do this part as well. I mean, I don't even have the issue, but you know how to clean stuff, right? Do it on both AirPods, right? Like this. We'll do it a lot longer than I am, by the way. That's not on the microphone. And once you've done that, right, put them back in the case. And I think have to because I have an issue with my left AirPod. When I put it in, it doesn't charge. I'm really going to have to fix that as well. So we'll just leave that to charge, and we'll restart the iPhone, and the issue should be fixed. But if it isn't, then what it means is you have the original AirPods Pro. So you might notice if I go to settings and I go to where is it? Let's find the AirPods Pro. So there we go. You can see hardware version 1.0.0. I have the very first AirPods. These were pre-ordered. And you can see by the text as well, because it's a smaller text. The new AirPods Pro, they have the larger text. And if you have the original hardware, or maybe even the revision, who knows? You can contact Apple and they'll give you a free replacement. So you want to get the Apple support app. And just open this bad boy up. And just find your AirPods. So we'll just go AirPods. And you can see topics or sounds. Find audio. We'll just wait for this. And you can start a live chat. And they will, they'll diagnose. And if they think that you actually have an issue, which if you have the genuine cracking issue and they troubleshoot, can't help you fix it, you can get free replacements. And this only happens if your AirPods are under a year old. AirPods Pro released, I think, like November of this year. So as long as you didn't buy it, as long as you didn't pre-order your AirPods, you should be able to get a free replacement. That's what I did personally, right? The other two fixes are on Apple's website, but for some people it's not going to work. It didn't work for me. I got 2 free AirPods Pro. They didn't replace the case, which, to be honest, the case is kind of faulty because I have to keep on blowing into it for the left AirPods to charge. But I wanted the original text, because if I got a replacement case, it would have like really ugly large text, and I didn't want that. So I had the original AirPods case, but I have the overall the new AirPods Pro replacement copy. I don't know if I've ever made a video discussing my experience. They do require you to pay first. I don't even know what it is. They require you to pay, but then they refund you after you send the AirPods. If you don't send it to them, they'll charge you for it. No, just ignore what I'm trying to say. They hold your payment on processing, and if you don't send the replacement AirPods, the charge will go through. Otherwise, the charge will not go through. That's what I'm trying to say. Sorry for the confusion. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. By the end of this video, you should have the issue fixed. If you're watching in like a year later, and your AirPods have been out for 2 years, and you're probably not going to be able to do the hardware revision route, but you might have to contact Apple. They'll probably charge 150 quid for replacement. Check if you have Apple Care though, because if you do, then you're good to go. I have Apple Care on this actually. That was a mistake. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.